God damn, man. Oh, I love coming home to packages. It is so exciting when I see this kind of stuff on my doorstep, man. What's going on, everybody? Bro, Kilar back here with another project. I just got done with class. Just finished 4 classes for today. I have to go to work in like half an hour, so we're gonna try to bang out this video. It is so hot in my room. Alright, so today I came home and I got 2 packages. I already know what this is. I have no idea what this is, to be honest, and it's actually pretty heavy. Let's just set this down over here. Grab an unboxing knife. Oh my god, there was styrofoam in here. This is a textbook. Great. That's the college life. Alright, we get textbooks in the mail. Alright, so that was super lame. Anyways, moving on to this item right here. I picked these up for $275. It was more like, so it was like $290 after shipping from Goat, and it is a pair of Yeezy 350 V2s. In my opinion, an extremely underrated pair of Yeezys. Actually, I think the colorway is fantastic, but for some reason everybody is sleeping on these. But here it is, the GOAT authentication or verification card with all the punch holes to make sure everything is there. Always appreciate getting that. And here we have the Landmark Yeezy. Oh my god. The Yeezy Landmarks. These are in a size 9.5. These are so gorgeous. I don't know why everybody slept on these. I think this is a super clean colorway. It'll go with a bunch of outfits. This is the shoe that I said, in my opinion, when you saw if you watched my fake Yeezy video, then you know that my opinion on these is I think these should have been called like the V3s or something, with the transparent strip and the no back tab. I actually really miss the back tab. I enjoy the back tab quite a bit. But regardless, this is a used sneaker, which is why I was able to get it for so cheap, for $275. But it is so clean. It looks like it was worn maybe like once. I mean, extremely clean shoe. So in my opinion, I do like the whole transparent strip idea. Makes the shoe very breathable. I think the Yeezy 350 V2 is like the most comfortable shoe that I've ever worn. I've heard that the 500s and the 700s are very comfortable, but I have not had a chance to slip my fetus into one of those yet. So therefore I cannot speak on that matter. But this so far is the most comfortable shoe that I've worn. I love buying these. I think this colorway is great. It's got a like gray and white on it with like this beige tan-ish accents and stuff. I think it'll match with a lot of stuff. I think it's a great colorway. Oh, so I didn't even notice, but yeah, it also came with 2 free GOAT stickers. They're like BOGOs. That's pretty cool, leaving with the rest of my stickers up there. And the box is in really great condition, actually. Super clean box. These shoes are in like really great condition. I'll show a close-up real quick. You can see it's a little bit dirty on the bottoms, but the uppers are also clean. Actually, let me move this box up here just for the aesthetic. But yeah, the upper of this shoe is extremely clean, and I didn't know this when I bought it, but it looks like the laces are reflective, which is pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. I think, let me double check. Oh, and they are. Yeah, so this has the reflective laces, which looks super clean in pictures. Oh, these are gas, yo. I honestly think that they kind of look weird without the back tab. I really miss the back tabs. It feels like that these newer Yeezys have a lot more cushioning back here. Like this Achilles tendon support thing right here is very thick now. It's a lot of padding, which feels nice. Makes it even more comfortable. It makes it look a little bit puffy back here, but you know what? It makes it more comfortable, so that's fine. Oh, these are so nice. So there was the unboxing of the Yeezy 350 V2 Landmarks. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed opening up this package. So I do have the hyperspaces. I do plan on selling those, however, to help pay for these Yeezys right here, because I think I'm going to be wearing these a lot now, and I don't need the hyperspaces because they don't really match and they're really hard to color block with. So these are probably going to be my go-to from now on. Thank you for watching this video. It was just a really quick one just to show you my newest pickup, and I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.